Across the country, companies are requiring their workers to get vaccinated, and in some cases, the workers are applying for religious exemptions. Now, across Ohio, some of these requests are being denied. We spoke with a history and law professor about what would happen if those with a denied request took it to court. According to Professor Mark Clausen, two trains of thought behind religious exemptions are emerging. One, people who believe the vaccine uses tissues from aborted fetuses, and two, people who claim the vaccine is against their religious conscience. In both cases, they don't need to have all the facts to get the exemption.
It's not that you have to be right on that. You could be wrong. The issue is whether you have a sincere religious belief about that.
And how do they determine if a person's belief is sincere?
And to decide that, they have to look at whether your denomination or your tradition has a long-standing commitment to that kind of thing or not. Or whether you're just it looks like you're just sort of making it up on the fly.
Now, as for the lawsuit itself, companies likely would be given certain liberties in denying religious exemption requests from their staff, in part because they are private entities.
But it looks like companies have more leeway to require vaccines and have more restrictions on the exemptions that they grant because they're private companies.
Clausen expects the case of workers and company-required vaccines will eventually go to the Supreme Court, but it could be a slow time getting there. For Ohio 24/7 Now, I'm Emily Dahl.